Hi guys, I have the privilege to welcome you back to my channel. My name is Samira. This tutorial is very important because it's a requested video, so I want you all to join this tutorial and please watch it to the end. Today's tutorial is on how to cut and sew a stylish basket dress with gathers, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. So let's dive into today's tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how I'll be spreading my Duchess fabric. Guys, don't forget to share this tutorial with your loved ones. You can also ask them to watch the video to the end. I will start by measuring my half length by 23 inches. So I took away 6 inches from my tape before arriving at 23 inches for my half length measurement. So I'm going to measure 23 inches on both sides of my fabric, and that's for my half length measurement. So I'm going to give a straight line to connect the lines together. After that, I'll be marking my neckline by 3.5 inches. I will also go down by 1 inch for the depth of my neckline. So guys, keep on watching this video to the end. So I'm connecting the neckline measurement together, the marks together. So after that, I'm going to mark 1 inch for my armhole curve. So that's the 1 inch for my armhole curve. So this style that we are making today is a trendy style, and I want you to keep on watching the video to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making, and it's a requested video. I want you to also learn from it. So I'll go to my waist area, is around my half length line, so I'm going to mark 27 inches. Then I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. After that, I'm going to mark my bust measurement by 35 inches. I'm going to also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then after that, I'm going to connect my measurements together. So I'm connecting it from my bust, then I'm going to take it down to my waist measurements, as you can see me doing in the video. So just stick around and please keep on watching to the end. So my dress is going to have basket effect. So I'll place my tape and mark 5 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler to rule it out to give it that V shape that is going to have at the waistline. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please, you can subscribe now to my YouTube channel. So I'll go ahead now to cut it out. So this is the front part that we are making now. So I'm going to use this front part to cut the back piece. So just keep on watching, because that's the only way you'll be able to understand this style that we are making today. And the person that requested for this video, please, I want you to keep on watching this video to the end. Like I said, you can share this tutorial with your friends. You can also share it with your family members. You can ask them to also watch my video to the end, this particular one that we are making today. I have a similar tutorial also on my channel. You can also check it out after watching this particular video to the end. So I have my back part to cut out, so I'm going to use the front piece that we just cut out now to cut the back piece. So I'll just go ahead and add my zipper allowance, which is by 1 inch. Okay, as for my back neckline, I'm going to mark 1 inch. Then I'm going to give a curve. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I'm done with my measurement. So this is the back part that we are cutting now. So I'm starting my cutting from the neck area. So guys, this style is trending. I want you to know how to cut it, so that's why I'm making this tutorial today. Like I said, it's a requested video, and you can keep on watching the video to the end so that you can also learn from it. And don't forget to share this tutorial also, and you can also turn notification bell also to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So guys, it's a trendy style and I want you to learn how to cut it, and please keep on watching this video to the end because you are going to learn a lot from today's sewing tutorial that we are making now. I'm still on my upper part. I've joined them together, so I'll be measuring my waist by 27 inches. Remember to divide it by 2. Okay, so I'm marking my waist measurement, and that's how I'm going to stitch it when stitching it together. So after that, I'll go to my bust and mark my bust by 35 inches. Remember to also divide it by 2 because when joining your body parts, you need to divide your body measurements by 2. So that's why we are dividing it by 2. And don't forget to also check my other tutorials on my YouTube channel so that you can also learn the other styles that I have on my channel. So we are cutting the sleeve. So I have my sleeve, the material that we are going to use. You can see the way I'm covering my fabric. I'm using my chalk to do that. This is how your own should look like when cutting your sleeve. So my width is by 3.5 inches. So that's for the width. And the length is by 6.5 inches. Why the length is 6.5 inches? Because of the 6 inches that we have removed already, and I'm using half inch for the sewing. I hope you are following up. Don't forget the style that we are making is an off shoulder top, that is the upper part, and remember we have removed 6 inches from our tape before taking the half length measurement. So you can see that today's style is very educative if only you can watch this video to the end. So I'm using the first part of our sleeve that I've just cut out now to cut out the second sleeve. So after that, I'll head over to stitch it together, and I'm going to iron it before we are going to attach it to our dress that we are making today. Okay, so just keep on watching, stick around and watch this video to the end. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to you, and please subscribe now. So I'll be showing you guys how I'll be pinning my sleeve before stitching it together. So I'm going to use my pin to pin it, as you can see me doing in the video. So after that, I'll head over to stitch it very well. I'm going to iron it. So guys, don't forget my dress is going to also have gathers, so that's what I'm going to use to extend the length of my dress. So we are going to also cut it out. So stick around to the end for you to watch that part also. So please just keep on watching this video, and you can see the style is coming out well. I'm going to also attach the other sleeve. So this is what I have after stitching it. I'll be extending the length of my dress with this fabric. To get my length, I'll be subtracting the upper part measurement, which is by 23 inches. So what I have left is 10 inches. So 23 inches plus 10 inches is going to give us 33 inches, which is our full length of our dress. So I've run a straight stitch on it. I did that by half inch, and this is how to gather your fabric. So you can see me drawing the thread gently so that the gathers can come out very well. After that, I'll head over to pin it around the waistline. So this is how to attach your gathers around your waistline. So first, I'm going to start pinning it from my zipper part, from the back side of my zipper part. So I'm going to continue pinning it around the waistline. So I'll keep on pinning it around the waist area of my dress. And don't forget the style that we are making today is on how to cut and sew a stylish basket dress that is going to have gathers on it. And don't forget, this video is a requested video from one of my subscribers. So please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. You can also request for your own. You can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to also do that for you because you are my sweetheart and I'm here for you guys. So whatever tutorial you want me to make, I'm here. I'm going to do that for you guys. Please keep on watching this particular tutorial to the end and don't forget to subscribe. This is the outcome of what we made today. You can see how simple it is, and if only you can follow the step-by-step procedure that we use in making this video, you'll be able to make one for yourself. I hope it was helpful to you, person that requested for this video, and everyone that joined today's class. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. No matter where you are right now, stop being someone else's definition of beauty and start being yourself. You are beautiful the way you are. Please, you can subscribe, share with your family members, and also comment and also like this video. Turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Remember, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.